Polly here in the backyard with the little lady. She's laughing at me because I'm doing this recording, but I'm gonna do a cookout here using the Blackstone, and this video is dedicated to Big Lew's BBQ, who his house got hit by the typhoon. I'm sorry, thinking Philippines. Hit by hurricane, and then recently his wife died. I just started subscribing to his channel, and this one's for him. God bless you, Big Lew's BBQ. Alright, so I got some cheap hot dogs, some pretty thick bacon that's been thawed out for a few days, a couple hamburgers, a couple pieces of chicken, some onion, and I got more stuff coming out. Not to cook, but condiments, that kind of stuff. So let's get going. First things first, bacon. I want to get these kind of closer to this side so I get a little more seasoning, better seasoning on this side where it's not so dark. I want it dark. Got this bacon, of course, Costco. A lot of bacon. So my good friend Keith, he came over and he brought his trailer to park on my property, and this is what he gave me as your thank you gift. And I told him I don't watch NFL anymore, but it's still pretty nice. Got a bottle opener on it. Had the little lady over there doing a little kitchen patrol, sweeping the deck out here.
No.
So here in just a second we're gonna throw down the big chicken fillets with a little slap your mama on it. So right now, since I have all this nice fat here on the griddle, gonna throw on this chicken with the slap your mama on. Some great stuff. Slap your mama. And the beauty of this is all that bacon fat's gonna run into the valley of the chicken with the slap your mama. Beautiful day out here in Seebeck. Not far enough from Seattle. Still a little smoky out here. Well, aside from this, the sky is still a little smoky. Gives you a bright yellow when the sun's really out. When you look out the windshield when you're driving or anything, it's really bright yellow. That, folks, is my phone. That was not a rifle. Oh yeah. Holy moly. Got a couple hamburgers. See, I think a couple is actually two, right? I'm just kidding. Got more than a couple. Cooked me off enough to last me for the weekend. Because you're like, man, you are sick. Well, need to make some room. Need to make some room. Get that bacon flavor all up on that chicken. How many burgers did I make? That's okay. Nothing will be wasted here. Yeah, so started taking off the bacon. A lot of bacon. But we got a lot of burgers. See, Stanley? Whenever I come back from Michigan, I'll do this kind of cookout. And I hope you're there. But tonight, you're not here. I want to show you all something. Let's go to the garage. Show you something I got in the freezer. Just so you know, Denver's isn't full of crap. Motor City Pizza's in the freezer. Great pizza. Frozen pizza, it's the best ever. I guarantee, from the Motor City Pizza Company. So much walking around. So much work. So much pleasure. So much fun. See it's bleeding out on top? Oh, it's not quite ready. Put these ones in the heat. Got some onions laid down on the griddle. Little lady's out here. She's doing a little grilling. Can you flip that one over there?
This one?
No, in the back.
Oh.
There you go.
That's it?
Check it. See what that one looks like.
Oops.
It's okay, don't be afraid.
There you go.
Maybe give them chicken a turn.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
You did it, little lady.
That's it. Beautiful.
Go ahead. You're not going to splash me. Oh, she wants to take safety precautions. She goes to the tongs.
There you go.
There ain't too much fat in this cookout. The onions looking great.
Yep.
This spatula is actually, it's nice, it's big, it's probably too big. It's not what I'm used to working with, but it's mine, I own it. Let's throw that in the fat. Throw these in here. They're all about 150 to 155 degrees. The little lady does not like undercooked hamburgers. I can eat them kind of bloody, but you know, with that there's a risk. I'll slap these onions up on there. You catching it? Looks good, huh? Little lady has decided to throw down some hot dogs. What good is a griddle out, or a grill out without hot dogs? Slap your mama. Trying to utilize this fat to season this end of the griddle a little bit more. Now folks, my wife put these slits in the hot dogs. Filipinos love doing it that way. And it is actually an effective way of cooking it. Gives a little bit more of an eye appeal once it's done. But for me, it don't really matter. Good stuff though. Little Philippines, you better do that. Little lady's about to dig in this stuff before all these bugs get in here. Not real warm out here, so the bug factor is not that great.
There's no bugs.
But it's still high. I can see steam coming up. Bacon, lettuce, tomato, spinach leaves, I mean, and some cheese. Silly me, little lady wants a bun toasted. I forgot all about toasting the buns. Good thing you're home.
Yep.
Look at that. Yep. Okay. Chicken should be about done.
Right.
Let's look at what little lady's got built here. She has a hamburger from heaven right there. You think you can eat all that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, folks. That's about all from me for now. And gonna go eat. And till next time, I'm Paul. Never trust a skinny cook.
Huh?
Say it.
Never trust a skinny cook.
Now that was good.